First problem is MCQ with one or more than one correct answer. If the roots of the equation x cube plus bx square plus cx minus 1 equal to 0 form an increasing GP, then which one among these are correct answers? Well, here we'll take it is a cubic equation. So from the fundamental principle of algebra, it will have 3 or not more than 3 roots. Therefore, now let us take the roots. Since the roots are forming the increasing GP, let alpha by beta and alpha beta. These are the roots of f of x is equals to x cube plus bx square plus cx minus 1 is equal to 0. Because the common ratio between them will be beta, the common ratio between them is beta. So therefore, when these are in the increasing geometric progression, so alpha must be positive, beta must be positive. Let us take roots in this way. Now from the relation between the roots and coefficients, we'll take the equation number 1 as sum of the roots is equals to r minus b. And relation number 2, the sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. Sum of the products of the roots taken 2 at a time. Sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time is plus c. And equation 3 is product of the roots. For a cubic equation, the product of the roots will be the constant that is equals to minus of minus plus 1. Now here from equation 3, what we had is this beta gets cancelled and alpha power 3 equal to 1 implies alpha equal to 1 will be a root. Because we have taken roots are alpha by beta, alpha and alpha beta, so alpha will be a root. If alpha is equal to 1 is taken in equation 2, then equation 2 yields that 1 by beta, beta and here plus 1. So beta plus 1 by beta plus 1 is equals to c. Similarly, we'll have equation 3 exhibit same value beta, equation 1 will exhibit same value beta plus 1 by beta plus 1 is equal to minus 2. For better evaluation, let us consider the equation 2 as beta plus 1 by beta. We can write this beta plus 1 by beta as beta plus 1 by beta minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0, where I can write this one as root beta square minus 2 into root beta into 1 by root beta plus 1, and this is plus 3 is equals to minus b. Thereby this can be written as the root of beta minus 1 by root of beta is equals to minus b minus 3, this is square. So therefore what you conclude that minus of b plus 3 is positive. Implies b plus 3 must be negative, implies b must be less than minus 3. When b must be less than minus 3, then we'll have b belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 value. This is one set of answer. Next we had equation 2 where I have beta plus 1 by beta plus 1 is equal to c. This one also if I can write it as a root of beta minus 1 by root of beta whole square plus 3 is equals to c. Thereby here c minus 3 will be positive, implies c will be more than 3. I can conclude that c belongs to 3 to plus infinity. This is another set of values. Also from 1 and 2 equations, if you consider both are equal to beta plus 1 by beta plus 1, which is equals to minus b, which is also is equal to c. Therefore we can say c is equals to minus b, implies here b plus c is equal to 0. It is another set of value. Now as if you take beta as more than 1, for example, then alpha divided by beta will be is equals to alpha is 1, so 1 by beta. When beta is more than 1, 1 by beta will be less than 1, implies alpha by beta is less than 1. This is possible for all if alpha is less than 1. So therefore what you conclude is among the given options b plus c equal to 0 is there. These belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. One of the root is 1, that is we got alpha is 1, and one root is less than 1, then other root is more than 1. If b happens to be less than more than, then alpha will be less than 1. So all the 4 options are correct for this question. That is option A is correct, B is correct, C is correct and D is correct. That B takes these values, B plus C is 0 and alpha equal to 1, and B if one root is more than 1, other root is less than 1. So this one is also correct. So all the 4 options are correct for this question.